Semantic SEO, the future of search is here. Let's face it, the SEO landscape is a wild, ever-changing beast. We've seen keyword stuffing, we've seen link building frenzies, and we've all experienced those algorithm updates that shake up the rankings. But amidst all the chaos, there's one trend that's truly revolutionizing how we optimize for search: semantic SEO. Think of it like this: search engines are getting way smarter. Gone are the days of simply peppering in keywords and hoping Google picks up the signal. Today, it's about understanding the meaning behind those search terms, what the user actually wants, the context of the query, and the larger relationships between different concepts. So, what exactly is semantic SEO? Semantic SEO helps search engines untangle that web and grasp exactly what your site's all about, the big picture themes, the niche expertise you offer, and how everything connects. It's about creating content that's genuinely informative and helpful, not just tailored for robots. Why should SEO enthusiasts care? Let's break down a few. Higher quality traffic. By understanding your audience's true intent, you're not just attracting clicks, you're pulling in people who genuinely want what you have to offer. That means less bounce rates, more engagement, and visitors who are way more likely to convert. Future-proof your strategy. Google, Bing, and all the major players are doubling down on semantic understanding. Optimizing your content the semantic way means you're not chasing some fleeting trend, you're aligning yourself with the very way search engines are evolving. Get a leg up in the SERPs. Semantic SEO isn't just about ranking higher, it's about answering users' questions so thoroughly that you snag those coveted featured snippets and knowledge panels. Think topics, not just keywords. Yes, keywords still matter, but zoom out on your content strategy. What are the core themes your audience cares about? Craft broad, in-depth content on those overarching topics. Get friendly with LSI keywords. These are latent semantic indexing keywords, which are basically terms and phrases related to your focus keyword. Weaving these into your content gives search engines a richer understanding of your topic, and helps you rank for a wider range of relevant searches. Embrace structured data. Schema Markup is your friend. It's like a little behind-the-scenes code that explicitly tells search engines what your content is about: recipes, reviews, events, etc. This organized data helps you score those fancy result features in the SERPs. Focus on user experience. Ultimately, semantic SEO aligns with what Google cares about most: great content that answers people's questions. Write clearly, be helpful, structure your content well, and those semantic signals will shine through naturally. Entities are your new BFF. Think people, places, things, concepts. Tools like Google's Knowledge Graph can help you discover which entities are connected to your niche, providing fresh ideas for creating context-rich content. Ready for a real-world example? Let's say you're writing about DIY home improvement. The old way was to stuff that phrase everywhere. You think about projects people search for, how to fix kitchen cabinets, easy bathroom updates, etc., related tools and materials, common problems DIYers face. And suddenly you have a wealth of content ideas that are truly helpful and semantically aligned. Semantic SEO isn't a magic trick, it's about shifting your mindset. Search engines are becoming conversational, understanding the nuances of how we speak. Create content that mirrors that and you'll not only make search engines happy, but your visitors as well. Consider subscribing to our channel for even more in-depth tips and insights. Let's navigate this exciting SEO frontier together.